Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Facebook for brand awareness, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a Facebook business page. Log into your personal Facebook account. In the top right corner, click on the Create button. Select Page from the drop-down menu. Choose a category that best fits your brand. Fill in your page name and description. Upload a profile picture that represents your brand. Add a cover photo that visually aligns with your brand identity. Once your page is set up, fill out all the necessary details in the About section. Include your website link, contact information, and location if applicable. Define your target audience by exploring Facebook's Audience Insights tool. Create engaging content tailored to your audience's interests. Utilize images, videos, and polls to make your posts more interactive. Set a posting schedule to maintain consistency with your content. Engage with your audience by responding promptly to comments and messages. Promote your page through your existing channels, such as email and other social media accounts. Consider using Facebook ads to expand your reach further. Target specific demographics to ensure your posts reach the right people. Analyze your page's performance using Facebook Insights. Adjust your strategy based on what content resonates most with your audience. Continuously refine your approach to maintain and grow your brand awareness. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.